person says कि यहाँ पे ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था वैसा ऐसा हुआ था, out of ऐसा ऐसा वैसा वैसा, one important thing that actually hit me hard was that in one day the tree saw around 10 to 15 people committing suicide on that very tree.
In one day?
In one day.
Okay.
On one day, 10 to 15 people committed suicide, and that is when the police was like, shit, we need to protect the people. And that's why the patrol, because हम लोग जब खड़े थे, the police, they came, even they warned us. Welcome back to the not last, finale episode of the Unheard Reality podcast. Thank you so much. It's the season finale, you can say. We had an amazing 4 topics to talk about. Every one of you loved it. The way, and of course, to mention, I take back my words when I said that statistics itne achhe nahi hai. The statistics are going up right now. Even though not particularly on YouTube, but the audio version of the Unheard Reality podcast on Ghana, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and everything, it has been going crazy, and the trend is up right now. So thank you so much for that. And these recordings will be there. जब भी आपको देखने की इच्छा हो, देखने का मन हो, it will always be there. And again, thank you so much for all that support जो आपने दिया to this podcast. And we are in the season finale. The next season will come next year directly in 2021. Some new more developments that we are working on. Not yet finalized क्योंकि हम लोग को जल्दबाजी में कुछ decide नहीं करना है कोई भी topics. We want to bring the unheard topics only, जो topics आपने नहीं सुना है, किसी ने नहीं सुना है, it's not on the internet much. Only those topics would be discussed, keeping the name, the Unheard Reality. And but keeping that in mind and talking about the unheard stuff, it's been 3 episodes we are talking about monoliths. And this time too, we have to talk about monolith because approximately there have been 10 monoliths now around the globe, from Romania to England to
And there was
Utah,
a golden monolith, I
and
think,
Romania.
in Colombia, I guess.
Yeah,
I guess
yeah.
in Colombia. And
Yeah.
the last one I remember seeing was in Australia.
Australia. So no one knows actually what is happening. Many people are coming forward to claim that वही लोग थे जिन लोगों ने इंस्टॉल किया था वो चीज़. But I think they just want few seconds of fame.
Yeah, and I mean, there are a lot of things that are being said about the monoliths and connected to the solar flash that's coming. So, don't know. Let's see what the fact is.
But it's so interesting to see something like this. And like हम लोग last episode में भी बोल रहे थे, if it is a marketing technique, anyone who is doing it, you are genius in what you are doing. If it is not, God bless every one of us. May protect all of us for whatever is coming.
I'm sure it will be something amazing.
Imagine.
Something good.
Okay, I'll just play the devil's advocate here. You are saying it's good. Probably all the monoliths that are here. When जब solar flash होएगा या फिर जब next solar eclipse आएगा, something the rays will fall on all the monoliths, and all the monoliths will be connected. And something will come out of it.
And no, that's not going to be the devil, this thing. It's definitely going to raise the frequency of the earth and maybe probably raise the consciousness of all the beings, so we can expect something positive.
No, I understand that. I am saying you are taking the positive road.
Yeah,
I'm saying
you want to take the...
There is also a possibility of that, because if we are considering positivity, then we have to consider negativity. In yang.
Yeah.
If there is light, there has to be darkness, or both won't exist at all. That's how the universe works.
Yeah, I agree.
So for equal number of positivity, there is equal number of negativity, and it's...
Yeah, so I'll stick to the positive.
Yeah.
You can stick to the other side, so that
I'm not sticking to the negative. I'm just, waiting and seeing what's
happening.
Turning out.
That's the best.
Yeah. But this finale episode, as the name goes, unheard reality. We want to bring in some experiences that we have had that are unheard to the public, जो कि public को नहीं पता है. They have never heard. It's not in the books yet. It's not on our YouTube channel. It's not on our any personal
Yeah,
profile. We have never shared it anywhere public.
We've never shared it publicly.
And we thought to end this podcast, what better way hoga than to talk about the unheard experiences that we both have had along with our team members. And yeah, you want to go at first?
Yeah, so
We have a few planned though.
yeah, so there's this one experience जो कि मैंने कभी share नहीं किया है publicly, which is very personal, बहुत ज़्यादा personal है मेरे लिए, इसलिए I never shared, but I want to share this especially because बहुत लोग पूछते हैं about getting in touch with their departed loved ones.
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा I think.
Now that you have mentioned it, for the last couple of weeks, I personally, I have got, and I forgot to share with you, I have got around 5 to 6 friend requests, on Instagram, along with the messages that one of our family members died of COVID, and that we want to get in touch because we want to know if they are happy or not, or that it was a premature death, or that they were unwilling to go.
Same here. So
Yeah.
बहुत लोग
I think we should just clarify that we do respect your emotions. We do understand, though not on the equal level, but we do try to understand what you are going through emotionally, physically. That you have missed, you're missing your loved ones, your family member, anyone close to you. But the point is that we at Pairs do not provide that service, and that the reason why we do not provide is, first thing first, when we are trying to do a spirit calling, for example, the name of the guy was, let's say, Sarbajit, and we are trying to call Sarbajit. Now, when the spirit comes, there is no way you can see that. Only the psychics can see. Wo bhi, it's like a damn machhar. That too, it's like, the hardcore psychic, someone like you with clairvoyance or something like that can see that. अगर आप में से कोई भी क्लियर वॉइंस नहीं है और वॉइंट नहीं है या फिर साइकिक नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट नो और सी.
It's very different to actually find out if it is genuinely that person जिनको
That is
आप
what I was
बुलाना
trying to
चाह
say.
रहे
Yeah,
हैं.
like you may be trying to call Sarbajit and the spirit can come and you will get on the signs. Candles बंद होंगे, चीजें गिरेंगी, सब कुछ होगा. And even if you ask, is this Sarbajit I'm talking to, the spirit might say yes. But how are you going to prove it कि ये सरबजीत ही है?
So the most important point here is कि first thing is that the other side is excellent at faking.
Yeah.
They are excellent at faking, and that's why it is very difficult to actually find out whether it is actually the loved one who is who is being contacted, or if it is someone else who is portraying to be that person, or just like कैसे बोलते हैं, like act कर रहा है as that person.
The spirit is an imposter basically.
Yeah.
You say.
So we everyone who contacts us जो कि चाहते हैं that हम उनके departed loved ones से contact करें, उनकी soul बुलाएं and spirit communication करें, we do not do this.
Yeah.
But there is a two-way thing, as in हम अपनी तरफ से उन्हें नहीं disturb करते हैं, but if a loved one is trying to contact you, then we definitely consider that.
And that you have all the signs for
Exactly.
a proper investigation. That is where we step in. And anyone who promises you कि आजा मैं तेरे family member से बात करवा दूंगा, please take proper care of yourself and your money before going to that person, because no one in this world can do that until and unless the person is actually a psychic and that and trust that person as a psychic.
बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा chances हैं कि आप एक गलत trap में फंस जाओ. So it can be money making business also, and emotional emotional चीज़ एक ऐसी है कि इंसान कुछ भी करेगा तो हाँ बह जाता है basically. So it's very important to understand this part. And as I said, and as Sarbajit was saying, कि अगर the other side, that is, if the departed ones are trying to contact you, and if there are activities happening, जैसे जो हमारी videos follow करते हैं YouTube पे, उन्होंने देखा होगा एक बहुत हमारी I think 2-year-old एक video है जहाँ पर there is a grandfather who is protecting the family, a departed grandfather who is protecting the family against a negative entity. So yes, such cases we do take where they are trying to contact us, not we contacting them.
Yeah.
So वो एक चीज़ बहुत important है that we wanted to convey. And that brings me to my experience जहाँ पर, as I said, it's a very very personal experience because it involves my dad. So my dad passed around 7 years back, and he was the one who actually pushed me into spirituality and meditations, and he was always a mentor to me. I won't say was, he is, because he still guides me in a lot of ways, and somehow, I mean, he's definitely found peace because he was a very very like, you know, enlightened, and an enlightened soul. I mean, he was a pranic healer and an erratic yogi, so definitely he was at the next level. So he has been guiding me, और somehow वो हमेशा कांटेक्ट करे हैं एंड हमेशा मेरे पास आए हैं whenever I have been in trouble, whenever I have whenever I have needed help, or you know, whenever I have been in some situation which is challenging to me. So he always had shown his presence, that you know, he is there and everything will be fine, and I have always been very grateful to him for that. लेकिन ये एक experience जो हुआ था, which was in 2020 March, starting of March, he came in the way, now these are few things that I'll share. I'll go a little in detail with this, so that जो भी सुन रहे हैं, and if you have loved ones trying to get in touch with you, you'll get a better idea of how they contact and in various ways that they can contact you. So पहली चीज़ जो मुझे आई थी was I was just about to sleep, and just सोने से पहले,
I was there too.
Yeah, and just सोने से पहले it was not कि उनका टॉपिक निकला है, उनके बारे में कुछ बात हो रही है, nothing at all, and I suddenly get the visions of his last day, just before his passing, and I was like, ये चीज़ मुझे क्यों आई, and it was so overwhelming, and you know, I felt emotional from within because everything was flashing of the last day, because I was there by his side at that time. वो चीज़ हुई थी. And I think the next day, you told me that you had seen a light apparition kind of a thing.
Yeah, I
just under his photograph.
Yes.
So
pretty clear.
And मैंने पहली वाली चीज़ जो मुझे feeling आई थी, किसी के साथ share नहीं करी थी. It was just something that maybe, like, you know, मैंने सोचा कि आई होगी feeling. So yours, since you told me the next day कि मुझे ऐसे ऐसे दिखा, that time it struck me that okay, now this is something that needs to be looked at. Yes. So वो second sign था. Third sign मुझे वो dream में आए थे that very night, the day you told me. Fourth sign was one of my friends who was very close to him also. उसका call आया saying that I just suddenly, मुझे uncle की बहुत याद आई, and I just wanted to talk to you somehow, and उसके साथ मेरे ख्याल से it was 5-6 months बात नहीं हुई थी, and she suddenly got in touch with me that I just remembered uncle and I wanted to talk to you. So that was the next sign. And the last one was a little, like, you know, that was something जो कि मेरे साथ पहली बार हुआ था. So it once again our cat comes into the picture. So my cat, who is very sensitive, he was staring at the sofa continuously. And I think even you were there that time. He was continuously staring at the sofa, and that was a very unusual stare.
Not just sofa, at one particular
corner of the sofa.
Seat of the sofa.
And that was a very unusual stare, जो कि जिसमें डर नहीं था, but I knew that he's seeing something because body cat language से पता चल जाता है वो. And I was so sure that it's dad. I had that inner feel. I could sense him, and I was just like that. He is sitting here. This is what I felt. So मैंने immediately वो पर्टिकुलर एरिया की फोटो खींची एंड वी सेंट इट टू सैवियो जस्ट फॉर अ वैलिडेशन एंड सैवियो हैड नेवर सीन डैड, ही हैड नेवर मेट हिम.
Savio Bhaiya is one of our psychics and
At
exorcists
pairs.
in our
Yes.
team. Yeah.
सो सैवियो ने जैसे ही वो कॉर्नर देखा एंड ही वाज लाइक कि पूजा आई सी अ मिडिल एज्ड मैन एंड ही डिस्क्राइब्ड द क्लोथ्स एंड he gave
The mustache too.
gave a brief description, mustache वगैरह सब उसने बताया. एंड देन मैंने पापा की एक फोटो भेजी, व्हाट्सएप करी एंड सैवियो वाज
Is it the
लाइक
man?
Yeah, so I was like, oh yes, this is the one. And I was like, all right, dad is here. I mean, I still have goosebumps. Anyway, but I mean, dad was sitting there on the sofa. I had enough validations and enough validations basically कि dad वहाँ पर थे. Now my question was कि dad normally तभी आते हैं when I'm in trouble or when I need help.
Some help, yeah.
एंड दैट टाइम एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन, सब स्मूथ था, सब ठीक चल रहा था. एंड आई वाज लाइक डैड का आना व्हाई, लाइक यू नो इट वाज जस्ट गोइंग इन द बैक ऑफ माई माइंड. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीक द लॉकडाउन वाज
Yeah.
announced.
Yeah.
I mean it was like जैसे कि वो सिर्फ ये बोलने आए थे कि everything is going to be fine.
Yeah.
You are going to be safe, you don't have to worry, because उस टाइम पे कोविड जस्ट स्टार्ट हुआ था, पैनिक सिचुएशन थी,
Bad.
बहुत बुरी पैनिक सिचुएशन थी, पूरा लॉकडाउन हो गया था. एंड 1 week later आई realized that I didn't know that I was in trouble, but he knew that there is
lockdown.
something that could bother us.
Yeah.
So he was just there ki everything is fine. So yeah, so I mean that is how the loved ones contact us in various ways. भले वो dreams हो, inner feelings हो, nudges हो,
Yeah.
दूसरे के through messages हो, and जो psychics हैं उनको और deeper feel होगा. So but one thing is that you need to stay in that awareness because they are definitely guiding us, they are by our side.
Yeah.
बट वो चीज़ हमें बिकॉज
इग्नोर
हो जाती है बिकॉज हम इतने बिजी होते हैं अपनी लाइफ में एंड यू नो द केओटिक 9 to 5 जॉब या जो भी बोल लो, लाइक यू नो द chaos of the entire day, that these subtle things get ignored.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was one very personal experience that I think I'm sharing for the first time.
Yeah.
And
So now that we are talking personal experiences, there is one experience which is not book में भी नहीं है वो. I don't think book में है क्या? नहीं है book में भी नहीं है. The book we are talking about is The Spirits Talk to Me. It's a book that we have come up with. It has 10 best case files that we have investigated, both of us along with our team. It is written by veteran horror writer Neil D. Silva and is published by Hachette India and is represented by the Book Bakers. It's available on Amazon and in bookstores near you. If you are intrigued by the paranormal, grab a copy. It's available on Kindle as well as paperback. So let us know after you have completed the book how you like the book. Do you like the stories? The book has a rating of 4.8 on Amazon and 4.5 on Goodreads. So some people are liking it. So if you are also intrigued, go get a copy. But what I'm trying to say here is about the investigation. In 2013, when I was almost on the verge of overcoming my fear, I thought the best place to go and test के डर है कि नहीं है was the graveyard. And I was at my home and tried searching, graveyard कहीं आसपास. There was one graveyard. There was a graveyard for burning. There was one for for the Christian one, and then there another one, the Islamic one, just behind the mosque. All three were pass. So I had the option to go to any one, but I saw the other two had some complications in regards to permission, so I had to just stay with the Christian one. So it was I entered at around 6, and the best part, people call me weird for that. So every I don't know about here, but in Odisha every graveyard has a caretaker, because the graveyards are not that big, so there has to be a caretaker, because humans, they will enter, they will take do illegal stuff, and they'll destroy the tombstones and everything, which I don't like those stuff being जो होता है वहाँ पे, एंड दैट्स व्हाई केयर टेकर्स होते हैं. एंड आई एंटर्ड एंड देयर वाज वेरी ओल्ड लेडी, शी केम एंड शी वाज लाइक के अभी बंद होने को है. आई सेड कि आंटी बस 1-2 घंटे का काम है, आई विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग, आई डोंट हैव एनीवन. आई वाज ऑल अलोन बाय द वे. एंड आई हैड दिस डिवाइस EMF सेंसर विथ मी, एंड मैं कहा ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करूँगा, आई जस्ट वांट टू and I had a camera with me, and like ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करूँगा, I'll not even disturb you or anything, not touch anything, I just want to experience. So she was like, अच्छा तो तुम करते क्या हो, like गवर्नमेंट से हो क्या? मैंने कहा नहीं गवर्नमेंट से नहीं हूँ, हमारी सोसाइटी है. नहीं सोसाइटी नहीं, तब कहाँ सोसाइटी हुई थी. आई थिंक नहीं, मैं रिसर्च करता हूँ ये सब चीज़ों पे. तो she was like, अच्छा तो क्या साइंटिस्ट जैसे? मैंने कहा हाँ साइंटिस्ट जैसे ही. तो बोली अच्छा ठीक है करो कोई बात नहीं. एंड शी पीसफुली शी लेफ्ट विदाउट शाउटिंग आउटिंग जो भी करता है. एंड शी वॉज डूइंग समथिंग आई थिंक. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग माई इन्वेस्टिगेशन, एंड मोर देन इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज लाइक डर लग रहा है क्या मेरे को. सो आई वेंट टू सम ऑफ द डिस्टेंट ग्रेव्स टू फाइंड आउट अगर वो चीज़ें मेरे को अफेक्ट करती है या नहीं करती है. एंड देन आई रीच्ड एंड आई एम स्टैंडिंग देयर, एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड हाउ मेडिटेशन इज़ लाइक, नहीं, how investigation is like meditation for me. क्योंकि while I was standing there trying to see if I'm getting scared, एक चीज़ मुझे realize हुआ that I am not getting any thought right now. I'm not thinking about anything like
So you were basically just with your feelings at that moment.
I had no feelings too.
No, but I mean, but you must be trying
I was
to
just with
find
myself.
out. Na? Exactly, but you must be trying to find out. Na,
Yeah.
कि मुझमें fear
I was trying to
crop up
find
हो रहा
out.
है,
हाँ, so that is when I realized that I'm not feeling anything. I'm not excited. I don't have fear. I'm not scared. There's no feeling in me. There's no thoughts in me जो कि मुझे आता था when I had this fear of paranormal. There was none of that. And I was just standing there. I'm like, okay, so this is how it feels. And I found it weirdly spookily peaceful. Like this feels so good. इतना अच्छा लग रहा था वहाँ पे. And I got my EMF sensor. I'm trying to take readings. कहीं पे readings आ रही है, कहीं पे नहीं आ रही है. Then I found this broken grave, tombstone. And मैंने date देखा तो it was of 1800s or something. So while I was doing all that, that lady is seeing कि ये कर क्या रहा है अकेला. And 2013 means अभी जितना बच्चा दिख रहा हूँ उससे भी और बच्चा दिखता था मैं. So and then she shouts कि वो सबसे पुराना वाला है वहाँ पे. Like अच्छा, so like 1600, not even 1800, 1600s, and that's why वो टूट गया है. तो मैंने कहा कि रिपेयर नहीं करता है कोई. तो she was like नहीं, वो जो दफना के गए थे और कोई आया ही नहीं देखने को उनको. So I was like okay ठीक है. And then बीच में आ रहा है sensor. I'm like okay, it's been 1 hour now, getting the feel, getting the EMF sensors and everything. And चीज़ें हो रही हैं. There was one point where I could actually sense a group of 6-7 people just coming towards me भाग के. I was just like मतलब ऐसे में खड़ा हूँ. To those who are listening, you're missing something, so get yourself YouTube application or get on the YouTube app and watch this podcast. So I'm standing like this, like facing to one of the graves. So from the corner of my eyes, I can see the main gate because it was straight path. On the right eye corner, I can see the rest of the area. From the left side, I could see, like I literally felt like 6 people are running towards me. So I ऐसे घूम के देखता हूँ मैं कि भाग के क्यों आ रहा है, मैं अकेला था यहाँ पे. And there was no one. I was like okay. And then when I turned my EMF sensor, it blinked for a second and it stopped. Okay. So I was like okay, whatever I'm seeing, it's for real. So फिर मैं EMF लेके उसी तरफ से थोड़ा सा जाता हूँ. मैंने कहा देखते हैं उधर शायद कुछ है. And then I reached वहाँ पे and there is another tombstone. And I was like अभी कैमरा है, let's take some photographs and then we'll leave because it's around 7:30 now. And because my first, I had no intention to scare my parents के कहाँ गायब हो गया and सब कुछ. And then मैं DSLR था मेरे पास, मैं उठाया, क्लिक किया, नॉर्मल फोटो उठाया, नथिंग केम. दिस वॉज विदाउट यूजिंग द फ्लैश. एंड अभी शाम हो चुकी है तो आई नीड टू यूज द फ्लैश क्योंकि कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा है, अंधेरा आ रहा है पूरा. एंड देयर वाज नो लाइट ऑल्सो आउट. सो आई turned on the flash and I'm at this particular white color grave and I'm trying to click photograph. कैमरा नहीं चल रहा है.
So it began उस time से
हाँ,
कैमरा डिच करना.
I'm like ये क्या हो रहा है? Then फिर मैं फ्लैश बंद किया, फिर से दबाया, फिर से काम नहीं कर रहा. I'm like, what is happening? So I said, let's do one thing. थोड़ा सा मैं जो ग्रेव के सामने खड़ा था, मैं उधर से पीछे घूम के पीछे की तरफ क्लिक किया, with flash, without flash, फोटो क्लिक हुआ. I'm like, ये ग्रेव के सामने क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? So then I again turned, again tried, फिर से नहीं हो रहा है. I'm like, what is happening? So what I did, जो ग्रेव के सामने खड़ा था, I went थोड़ा सा आगे. Now I'm facing it from diagonally. फिर मैंने फोटो लिया with flash, and when I took that photograph, on that grave there was a tunnel, white tunnel sort of thing जो कि appear हुआ था in the photograph.
Oh, vortex kind of
Vortex.
a thing. Oh.
It was a vortex right above the grave. I don't know if I still have the photograph.
Yeah, maybe.
But कहीं पे होगा शायद.
हाँ.
It's one of the oldest photographs I had. हाँ होगा. Yeah. And तब मेरे को ध्यान नहीं आया because अंधेरा भी था. I was not seeing the photographs. ऐसा करके मैंने random 2-3 जगह पे फोटो लिए. And दूसरी जगह पे I saw in near one of the graves there are like trees, you know, and trees के ऊपर there is another anomaly that was shining. Like if you see from trees point of view, it must be around 1 feet to 2 feet. That
मतलब,
very thing.
1 feet to 2 feet in total उसकी
Oh, हाँ, the anomaly का.
उसकी height.
हाँ, the weird thing that I captured was of 1 to 2 feet, and it was hovering on the top of the tree.
On the top of the tree.
Which is super weird, and I could never figure out कि ये है क्या. ये भले ही हम लोग इसको vortex बोल दिया, but that thing was pretty weird. And then you know, that was the last thing I captured, and then I went to the old lady. I said thank you so much, and then उसके बाद बहुत सारे trip किए, सब कुछ किया, but I never captured anything like that. And that was my first investigation at a graveyard, to say. And yeah,
and I think where you even realize that investigation is meditation for you.
Yeah, that was a crazy feeling because I'm standing there, I'm like, यार कोई thought नहीं यार, ऐसे कैसे, like गाड़ी पार्क की है, नहीं की है, वो बूढ़ी औरत वहाँ पे, ये है वो है, I'm at a haunted location or a graveyard. There were no thoughts.
Excellent.
I was blank, literally blank, and not that I was blank because I was at a new location. No, I knew what to ask, I knew what to do, but I had no thoughts.
So that's what I mean. You were completely like now moment in the observation mode.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
And that was amazing. Yeah, that was my first investigation actually. Yeah. Crazy, unheard.
Yeah.
One unheard story.
Yeah, and एक चीज मुझे अभी suddenly याद आई. I mean, it just popped up in my mind about this particular case. Not I won't call it a case, experience जो कि एक जन ने share किया था in one of the meetups. About that, I mean, I'll not disclose the identity for sure, but this person shared about the clairvoyance of his girlfriend.
Bandra वाला.
हाँ.
Yeah.
The clairvoyance of his girlfriend. Now, ये चीज़ मैं share करना चाहती हूँ because being a psychic, I always, want people to understand about these abilities and दूसरों को हैं and अगर खुद को भी हैं then it should be understood and channelized. नहीं तो बहुत problem में पड़ जाते हैं लोग. Problem में पड़ जाते हैं as in that is what I want to share. So ये एक जन ने share की थी हमारे साथ experience that he, his girlfriend and a couple of friends, they were going to Matharan. Now, Matharan is a small hill station in Maharashtra near Mumbai. So, the girlfriend was also driving and मेरे ख्याल से पहुँचते थोड़ा सा evening हो गया था. And once they reached the destination, उसको car back करनी थी.
नहीं, all the people who were sitting the left.
No. Yeah, that's what. उसको back करनी थी. So to help her back, because it was on a hill. They were on the hillside. So to help her back, all of them got down from the car. कि we'll give you directions and आप करो back. And then she's reversing the car. And when she looks into the mirror, she sees someone sitting on the back seat.
An old lady, no?
An old lady sitting, wearing something white, sitting on the back seat. इतना डर गई वो, शी गॉट सो स्कैर्ड एंड दैट शी न्योज दैट शी इज अ क्लेयरवॉयंट. उसको पता है कि उसको चीजें दिखती हैं, बट दैट वाज वन मोमेंट शी नेवर रियलाइज्ड कि उसको ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा. एंड वो डर के मारे शी इंस्टेड ऑफ हिटिंग द ब्रेक शी हिट द एक्सीलरेटर. एंड वो रिवर्स में जा रही थी, शी हिट द एक्सीलरेटर एंड थैंकफुली वहां पर पीछे देयर वाज अ बैरिकेड. इट हिट द बैरिकेड, और अगर वो बैरिकेड नहीं होता शी वुड हैव गॉन डाउन द हिल. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज डेफिनेटली स्कैरी. एंड अच्छा खासा इंसान, भले वो अपनी एबिलिटीज जानता हो, भले वो लाइक यू नो डेयर डेविल हो, जो भी हो, बट एट सच मोमेंट्स it is scary. I mean definitely आप रिवर्स कर रहे हो एंड आपके पीछे पता है कोई नहीं बैठा है, फिर भी आपको जब रेयर व्यू मिरर में कुछ दिख जाए. सो शी हिट द एक्सीलरेटर एंड शी वॉज इन अ स्टेट ऑफ पैनिक. वो ड्राइव नहीं कर पा रही थी आफ्टर दैट फॉर सम टाइम. एंड सो बेसिकली लाइक व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल हियर इज कि ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं एंड जब हम अपनी एबिलिटीज़ को समझें एंड उसको प्रॉपर वे में चैनलाइज करें, it is really like you know it helps you stay calm, maybe not calm but at least a little more balanced in such situations.
Understand what is happening. वो एक आता है कि अच्छा you know what is happening.
And क्या हुआ था इस इंसिडेंट के बाद, she went in some kind of a trauma, means उसको normal life operate करने में भी like you know she was having problems. So it was but obvious she was in a state of shock. So those who are like you know who have psychic abilities, जिनको clairvoyance है, जो कि clairvoyants हैं या फिर clairaudience हैं, we have another podcast in which we have covered the psychic abilities का thing. Maybe please go through that also. Yeah. No, the last one was I think near death experience.
No, last one was psychic.
Oh, psychic. Yes. Right. So the previous one.
Yeah.
So go through that, maybe just hear that and understand your abilities, and if you know anybody who has, then you know it's a great idea to help them, because it can be really challenging for them if they don't know what's happening. So this is one experience I wanted to share.
There is another one where as in it's a very weird one, and it never made to the books for some reason. I don't know. Probably because the story was so dark. This is this case that we investigated. I don't know if you remember or not. It was 2014. We investigated this huge ass tree. I still have the photograph of the tree. I think it was near the road. कैसे बताऊँ, मतलब it was in the outskirt of one of the cities. And to reach वहाँ पे you have to take a diversion, and diversion अब जैसे होता है, there is no street light, no one goes वहाँ पे. इतना bad reputation है, क्यों है वो भी बताता हूँ, कि पुलिस पेट्रोल करती है वहाँ पे. And we get this complaint from one of the people is that there's this place and we want you to investigate. We reach the place and this is this huge tree all barricaded and everything. There's a मंदिर नीचे. And then the person says कि you know यहाँ पे ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, वैसा ऐसा हुआ था. Out of ऐसा ऐसा वैसा वैसा, one important thing that actually hit me hard was that in one day the tree saw around 10 to 15 people committing suicide on that very tree.
In one day?
In one day.
Okay.
On one day 10 to 15 people committed suicide. And that is when the police was like, shit, we need to protect the people. And that's why the patrol, because हम लोग जब खड़े थे, the police, they came, even they warned us, you know, not to enter the place, not to touch the tree or something. And 15 and all, and we investigated, a lot of things happened and all. During one of the investigations, I think कुछ तो battery खत्म हुआ, कुछ हुआ. We came back and we wanted to, you know, हम लोगों ने कार की डिक्की खोली and हमको कुछ बैटरीज निकालनी थी. हमारे साथ और एक बंदा था जो कि बाइक पे आया था. ही वॉज द वन हु गाइडेड अस. सो ही सेड कि भैया मैं निकलता हूँ क्योंकि अभी लेट भी हो चुका है, एंड दैट यू नो आई थिंक आई शुड लीव. आई सेड या फाइन, यू कैन लीव. एंड देन ही इज ट्राइंग टू किक हिज बाइक, एज एन किक स्टार्ट हिज बाइक. गाड़ी उसकी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही. पहले तो उसने ऑटो से स्टार्ट किया, ऑटो दम तोड़ दिया, चालू नहीं हुआ. देन ही स्टार्ट्स किकिंग. He has kicked around 10 times and गाड़ी उसकी start नहीं हो रही. Now he is panicking. Now that guy is wearing a spec and everything, all smart. जब ये हुआ उसकी फट गई लिटरली. He's now looking at us and he's like, you know, what the fuck, what should I do? He's like panicking because ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है. He must be right now, he must be under 30, 29. As in क्योंकि जानता है हम लोगों को and that we do so respect से वो भाई बुलाता है. Otherwise उसकी गंदी फट गई थी. And then I said के you know okay let's do one thing. अगर तेरा गाड़ी नहीं चल रहा है ना, अपना गाड़ी स्टार्ट करके देखते हैं. And then अपना गाड़ी स्टार्ट करने को चालू कर रहे हैं, अपनी गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही. And now we are in the middle of nowhere, you know, and that we are in front of a haunted tree that kills male people. 15 of them have already died and more, 15 in one day. And we have nowhere to go. क्या करें? We had no freaking idea what to do. उसके बाद I don't even remember क्या हुआ, but उसने क्या किया, उसने गाड़ी को लिटरली ऐसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा किया, चेक किया उसका स्पार्क हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, द स्टार्टर इज वर्किंग और नॉट, फ्यूज इज वर्किंग और नॉट. ये इन लोगों ने गाड़ी का सब कुछ बोनेट खोल के चेक किया, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, व्हाई इज इट नॉट स्टार्टिंग. Then we waited and then one of the guys from the crew was like, no, I think we should call someone. And the guy is coming, he's mid, as in हम लोग अगर एक पॉइंट में है, वो जस्ट रास्ता एंटर किया, you know, he is about to come, he has reached his mid point, and then दोनों ट्राई कर रहे हैं ना, दोनों का गाड़ी एक साथ स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड उसका ऐसा स्टार्ट होता है कि ही लूजेस कंट्रोल लिटरली द बाइक वन एंड ही फॉल्स. ज़्यादा चोट नहीं लगी, इट वाज लाइक सडनली हुआ तो उसको समझा भी नहीं. एंड इट बाइक क्योंकि इतना कुछ कोशिश कर रहा था तो गाड़ी उसके गियर पे भी थी. कार भी स्टार्ट हो गई, वो भी स्टार्ट हो गया. एंड द गाय वाज लाइक, भाई मैं निकल रहा हूँ, आप लोगों को जो करना है करो. एंड देन वी स्टेड, फिर से टेकिंग ए रिस्क, गाड़ी फिर से चालू नहीं होती तो फिर से मरने वाले हम लोग यहाँ पे लिटरली. एंड मरने वाले एज इन भूत से तो नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट भूखा मर जाएंगे, बिकॉज सेकेंड थिंग, नो सेलुलर नेटवर्क प्रॉपर, लाइक यू हैव टू वॉक फ्यू मीटर्स अवे टू मेक अ कॉल, क्रेजी स्टफ. एंड देन बट हम उसके बाद भी रुके, एंड उसके बाद गाड़ी स्टार्ट हो गई. Crazy place. I've never seen a tree so
creepy.
You know I love plants. Right now I'm spending all my money on plants. But this tree had no leaves. And क्योंकि इतने सारे deaths हुए हैं, वहाँ पे एक मंदिर भी लगाया गया है ताकि whoever comes at least
dead energy,
के
basically dead energy वाला.
Yeah, but it is so bad, the vibes are so bad, and उसी को देख के वहाँ पे barricade बनाया गया है. There are thousands of trees. It's like a forest patch. Thousands of trees. एक में भी कुछ barricade नहीं है. And there is one tree, huge ass tree. It's like कितना बड़ा है पता है कि मतलब अगर रास्ता के बाजू में है ना, वो इतना बड़ा है कि it is covering the entire road and going the other side.
Oh.
It was so huge and not a single पत्ता वो पेड़ में.
No, that's what. Dead tree. Dead energy.
Yeah, there's a lot to it, to this case. Probably in the upcoming books or something we'll try. But yeah, these are our unheard experiences that we had. I don't know anything else that people should know, क्योंकि the rest you already have read in the book. If not, get the book. या फिर अपने videos में देख लिया होगा. If not, watch the videos. And yes, to those who are listening, we have a YouTube channel where we upload investigation videos and other stuff. From pairs, there are few more things that we are working on currently. Probably by the end of the month or so, we'll announce it. And yeah, pretty some good news as well. Some investigations जो कि हम लोग मार्च से कैंसिल करते आ रहे हैं. Finally, पता भी नहीं जनवरी में होगा या नहीं.
I mean 4 बार मेरे ख्याल से postpone हो गया है.
Literally started hating COVID. It is frustrating me. Not okay. There's this part where things are happening bad. But then there's other part which is also
not allowing us to travel.
No, traveling is not the big part. The part is about everyone who has the business of traveling or moving. You cannot move from Ahmedabad to Bombay without getting yourself a COVID-19 test, which is so bad. Like आप कितनी बार जाके आप टेस्ट कराओगे? And what if a person is going for 6 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours? मतलब रिजल्ट देने के लिए भी तो टाइम लगेगा, बट दैट्स अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल, नॉट फॉर अस. Don't want to get into controversial stuff. But yeah, again, thank you so much for all the support and love for the Unheard Reality podcast. We love all you people who comment right after the video is posted and to helping us in increasing the statistics. Thank you so much.
And please do share.
Yes.
We are doing a lot of efforts, and definitely in the next season हम लोग ऐसे topics लाएंगे जो कि और intriguing हो और unheard हो. हम लोग definitely our research is on.
Yeah.
So that's why we are taking a small break to go deeper into those topics and get you some nice ones.
This probably शायद ये 2020 का last video होगा.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you are watching this on December 31st, wishing you a very happy new year from all of us at Pairs. And the next video will be directly in 2021. 2021, we have a lot of plans for 2021, and that things are looking good as of now.
Yes. So happy new year.
Yeah,
and
happy new year.
Hope not just hope, but 2021 is going to be awesome for everybody.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. And again, thank you for making a reality podcast such a successful venture. We were just actually talking why did we start this podcast? The point was to bring you people these topics जो कि generally बातें नहीं की जाती हैं, generally लोगों को नहीं पता होता है, and we loved your feedback. And again,
and please do share. Please do share all the episodes. Make sure that your friends are also listening and watching.
Yes.
So we'll see you soon.
Very soon. Actually, अगले साल ही मिलेंगे directly हम लोग.
But that's very soon.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. This is Sarbajit
and Pooja,
and we are signing off for the first season of the Unheard Reality Podcast, brought to you by the Parapsychology and Investigation Research Society and produced by NetZack Media. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.